Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your ZTE Blade A7s, at first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the connected devices, move to the connection preferences and click on the printing. Next we have to move for the default print service, and as you can see here we got our printer and our smartphone connects automatically. If it's not going to happen in your case, you have to go back, then click to add the service, and when we are moved to the Play Store we can choose one of the plugin. So if you have the HP printer, you have to get this plugin, and after that here you will get this stuff, this HP print service. And right now if you want to print something, let's open files. I will go for this photo and click on the three dots in the right upper corner, then select print, click to select printer, and all you have to do is just to tap on this button. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.